Alright, hello guys. So I usually don't do these type of videos in person. I usually just record gameplay footage of me just playing random games on Roblox where I can find. But today I got a little tasty treat for you right now. So I just recently came to contact with a MRE. See, look at this. Curry chicken with rice, lentils, and vegetables. Complete meal. Call it here. You want some? Made in the USA. Meal ready to eat. MRE. Yeah, I recently came to contact with this, so now we're gonna be opening this bad boy up and see what's inside. Anyway, so now that I have opened it up, let's see what's inside. There we go. So it's empty bag. Let me just put this to the side. Alrighty. Adjust the camera a little bit. Let's see what we got. We got here some dried fruit mix. Let me see if you can get that right by the camera. Yeah, dried fruit mix right here. Alright, here we got some crackers. Go drink that later. Eat that with some coffee later. Okay, take this, of course, save that for last. Here we got here's the utensils, candy, sugar, stuff like that. Here we got some sugar cookies. You can see it right here. And here is, let me see what's in this. Grape powder beverage. Alright, so now since we've seen it all, time to get to the main course. It's a little banged up because I had to transport this from a very long distance. Let's see what this is. Here's the chicken curry. Let's see, nutrients. Yeah, it's 220 calories. So here's the English version. You can read this a little better. 220 calories from fat, 70 total fat, 7 grams, saturated fat, 4.5 grams. Oh, no trans fat, that's pretty good. Cholesterol, 7%, sodium, 29%. Total carbohydrates, 9%, and 7% dietary fiber. Ingredients, I'm not going to read that. I don't think you can see either, but I'll probably post in the comments. It's like water, white chicken, water modified, food starch, salt, sodium, yada yada. And we're gonna open this bad boy up real quick, see what's inside. Alright, so now we open this up and I focus the camera a little bit more so you can see a little better, because before I was at 0.5. So now you can see this curry chicken, bay salt, see rice, utensils, vegetables. We read all this, but now on this you can actually see a little better the ingredients. So take a screenshot if you want to see that. And I'm just gonna put this to the side. Real quick. And first of all, let's try the goodies first. Let's try these goodies. Let's try the cracker first. I'm gonna try the sugar cookies later. Right here. Let's see this bad boy up. Alright, so now since we take it apart, here it is. It was airtight as well, so let's just get my gloves in there. And yeah, here's the crackers. Damn, fancy gloves. Alright. Alright, there we go. There we go. Take a bit of the cracker out. There we go. Here's the piece of the cracker. What do we taste? It tastes like those graham crackers, but not salted. Like those ones your grandma gives you at her house. But it's no salt to them. Yeah, here's some more. Oh, not bad, but it's bland, so I give the flavor. I give like a 7 out of 10. I'm 6. A little dry as well. Nonetheless, still good. Oh wait, and this also reminds me. It reminds me of the flavor from what do you call it? Those Catholic Body of Christ cookies they give you. Yep, I'll put it up later. Just clean this. There we go. Now, sugar cookies. Let's see what's this here. This website. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's see what I have here. Also, just regular sugar cookies you see here. Nothing too strange about them. Give it a taste test. Now, this right here, it's a very strange type of flavor. Orangey. Looking orange. Tangerine, mandarin, whatever you call it. That's strange. Although, I'm not complaining. Still pretty good. As you know, I'll save the rest for later. Because I still gotta get to the main course. And so I'm just gotta... Alright. Next off. Dried fruit mix. Pretty sure just like trails, like peanuts, stuff like that. Let me just see it real quick. Surprisingly, it's very easy to rip. Oh, damn. Ooh wee. Just look at that. I didn't read all the ingredients this one. Let me see. So, ingredients: banana chips, oil, sugar, papaya, sugar, sulfur dioxide, diced pineapple. Ew, pineapple? I never gonna want pineapple. I'm gonna smell. I don't think I'm gonna eat this one. Ugh. Never. Man. Oops. And wait. Oh, there we go. Just had the camera back up. I was number one for trail mix. Oh, a little bit fell off. Yeah. Wow. Very hard. Crunch as well. Oh, why not? I like it. Let's give it like a 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10. I don't really know. Now, I'll be right back with grape powder stick. Be right back. Alright, so now I got a glass of water, a little beer mug of water. You see here, it's so cold that it's spilling off the bottom a little bit. Alright, let's test to see the grape powder real quick. Oh, very nice, easy way to pour it out. Anyways, let's do a little smell test first. It smells like grapes, but there's grape powder, so what else can you expect? Not all of it. I don't think this cup's nearly big enough. Electrolytes, vitamins, see what else it's made out of. Let me just hold it from this edge so it doesn't really fall out. Alright, here we go. Ingredients: sugar, citric acid, sodium, grape flavor, red 40, yada yada. I didn't get anything on my gloves. Alright, it's good. Just put this to the side where everything else is at right now. And actually, to mix it up, let's open this up now. Before we do, first of all, what's in this kit? It comes with a spoon, Smarties, my favorite candy, a wipe, coffee, sugar, I think some sugar and some cream, I think, and the tissue. Alright, let's open this up. Here we got a spoon, so let me just, before we do anything, put this to the side. So, give me this. I don't know what this is for. Yeah, it's delicious. Mix this up a little bit. Alright. Taste test time. Oh, damn. It's supposed to taste like that? I think it's too watered down. Just add a little more then. There we go. Alright, let's get a spoon again. Alright. Taste us. Hold on. Wow. I didn't expect it to be this bad. After serious thinking in my head, I will rate this 6.5, 7 out of 10. Took me a while for me to get used to it, but it's pretty sweet. But it said powder. I was expecting a little something close to the juice, so not really my cup of tea. Here we go. Just put this to the side. Actually, we can use this now since I made a little mess. Oh, cool. He has a little logo. First, MRE star. Just wipe this down a little bit. Now, you know where this is gonna go? To the side. Anyway, so let's just take this all out. This is what we got here. Instant coffee, deep rich. Never one for coffee. Salt and pepper. Crushed red pepper. What's this? Creamer. Let's see what this is. This is sugar right here. And oh, a little wipe. Alright, so that'll be all for right now. But the main course is now. Anyway, so I forgot to mention Smarties. These are really good. I love candies. But now, let me just take this real quick. Oof. Should put it back in the box so it won't really spill that much when I open it. Oh wait, it went into the never mind. Let me just pull it from here. Well, time to open this bad boy up. Damn. Hard. Oh. Oof. Smell. So. Oh, fuck. Hold on. I'm just gradually spilled over my pants and off to the side. Hold up. Just getting some more things off real quick. Okay, so here's the chicken pudding. The chicken curry. Yeah, and it just went back in. Ah, damn it. It'll be a little bit of a mess. Alright. Grab it. Don't let go. Alright, so number one, I'm a very picky eater. Every time I go to fancy restaurants, you know what I order? Chicken tenders and fries. When in doubt, always go for chicken tenders and fries. Like, I mean, oh shit. Nice. Like, I mean, you can never go wrong with chicken tenders and fries. Because it's a good combo meal. Anyways, see, look at that. Dark Abyss. Oof, smells well. Anyways, oh, it's rice as well. Huh, look at that. Well, just. Alright, let's go. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Never mind. This is not good. I would not eat this. I'd probably trade it off if I ever joined the army. Which I'm not. But I still want to see how they eat. Oh, that was an experience. Anyway, so that'll be all for my MRE unboxing. And right before I leave, I forgot to mention. They gave me a toothpick. Yeah, they did. Look at that. Nice old toothpick. Alright, so see you later, guys. I was finishing cleaning it up, right? But I made a severe mistake. and I deeply apologize. I didn't see this. I opened the whole thing up, right? I didn't even see this. Apparently, you're supposed to put the packet in there. Let's see. Let me read it. To open the heater, add water to about 2 ounces. Fold the bag of the MRE pouch, insert it in. 15 minutes. Yeah. I wouldn't, yeah, no. But don't worry, there will be more MRE unboxing videos because I have a ton. I have some. I think like four or five. Yeah, I think like 4 or 5. So, I think I had this another one. I can get another chicken curry one so I can just remake this whole video again. Right now, I'm be posting this one exclusively.